A federal jury has found a woman who smashed a Mobile police car window guilty of interfering with law enforcement during civil disorder. The guilty verdict for 22-year-old Tia Pugh was reached after a 3-day trial. Megan Mackey has been following the trial all week, and she has reaction from the attorneys and explains how much prison time Pugh is facing.
The jury deliberated for just 2 hours before reaching that unanimous guilty verdict. And while the defense is disappointed by the outcome, they say the fight isn't over.
Certainly, we're very disappointed.
22-year-old Tia Pugh walked out of the courtroom this afternoon in tears, declining to answer our questions after a 12-person jury found her guilty of obstructing police during a time of civil unrest. The charge came after our cameras exclusively caught Pugh smashing the window of a Mobile police car during the George Floyd protests last year. Federal prosecutors testifying to the jurors, our video led to the federal charge. During the trial, Pugh's defense admitted she smashed the window, but say it didn't warrant the federal charge that was brought forward.
I think this was a perfect case that should have stayed in state court. I think this was an overcharge that never should have been here. Now she's looking at a felony to follow her for the rest of her life for what in state court is a misdemeanor offense that she would have had to pay restitution.
Pugh declined to testify during the trial. She is still being charged at the state level for inciting a riot and criminal mischief. Her attorney was hoping for another outcome and says they plan to submit an appeal.
You got to remember, this protest was about the murder of George Floyd. She was not sorry for doing any of that. She knew it was wrong to break the window, and she was sorry for that. But she was not sorry for going to the protest, and she said she'd do it again.
Pugh remains out of custody and will be back in court on August 19th for sentencing. She faces a maximum of 5 years in federal prison. Reporting in downtown Mobile, I'm Megan Mackey for WKRG News 5.